What is up, YouTube? We are back, me and Lou here. It's a beautiful day out. We're actually gonna go take the Fox for a spin. It's a little celebration time. We hit 2,500 subscribers today. That's a big milestone for us. We've been working at it for a long time, and it's going slowly but surely. So we thought, hey, it's time to celebrate. Let's go burn some rubber. So the old Fox, we'll just see what she can do. May not be good. We'll see. She's on her last leg. She's about ready for a rebuild already. Been a little rough on her, but let's go see what happens.
My phone will be able to run this.
All right, here we are. We are back. We're gonna go right in it at a cold start. Talking about we were hard on it. It's about time to rebuild it. Pretty sure, not 100% sure, but pretty sure we burned up the rings in it last time we had it out. So, got a little blow by from the crankcase, but it'll be alright. It'll be alright. All right, guys, we hope you liked our our celebration, 2,500 subscriber celebration, as much as we did. We had a blast going for a little spin. On our way back, we actually we broke a bolt, and so our belt had slipped off. We lost our alternator, so we just had to hurry up and limp it back real quick. And she got a little warm. Hopefully, didn't hurt too much, but not bad, not bad. If you guys like what you see, if you love that burnout, if you're here for our celebration, let us know. A like, share, subscribe. Hopefully we'll get some more awesome content on this channel before long. We've got this bad boy coming up maybe sometime. That's got a 460 big block in it. That's a real race car though. This one's just a toy. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like that smoky burnout.